Alright, I officially have nothing.
How many AGs do you have, Titan?
Took one out. I'm not entirely sure your location.
We're oh shit, we're Odin 1 on the map.
Come on.
So southeast of the objective.
Come on.
Yeah, seeing both Weagles from my angle.
Okay, so TMR CSO is still a little bit better though.
Mark both.
Nice.
You got one
Thank you,
Titan,
buddy.
that's a married.
If like the weapon
That's
resting
me.
thing doesn't know exactly what to do or
thank you.
doesn't have the sweet spot, it just does whatever the fuck it wants. It's just swinging my view all the way to the left for some reason.
Yeah, true.
We got a
Bloody hell.
T100 coming in from the from the east, about 500 meters out.
Oh, for fuck's
What the
sake!
fuck was that?
And a K-Mish coming in from the southeast of the UAV, about 400 meters
Nice
from the
shot.
UAV.
Imish?
Slav, you okay?
Yeah, from the southeast
good.
of the UAV.
Are you smoking, Titan?
Yeah, I took one of those AA shots.
Look at all the bodies.
K-Mish is coming up on the road now. If you're at the UAV, you should probably spread out. It's coming in hot for you.
Yeah, whoever's at the
Down.
this guy, it's Lovecat. So, okay, we need some AT.
Coming in from the north.
Yo, I've got AT, I've got an RPG.
You're down,
I'm on
aren't
my
you?
way, I'm on my way. No, I was just in a really slow moving APC
Alright,
because I
Kim is
blown
on
all the
the
wheels off.
I think we got them all.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
Still got an GMG in your position near the UAV.
Yeah.
Not gonna waste an AG on him.
Effort.
Taking care
Yeah.
of Jack.
It's north of the UAV, about 600 meters.
Oh, T100 Varsuk.
Yeah, the Varsuk is standing still.
Yeah, but the gun's out.
I'm more worried about the Cashman coming in from the same location over there, northeast.
If it's disabled.
Nice.
Titan got a
Yeah, I see it.
Cashman. Yep.
Not sure if I can take him on head on though.
Yeah, if you can, probably
Too
just
damaged.
yeah, just the RTB if you have to.
Yeah, I'll come on top of him.
Yeah, it's firing on you.
You're gonna come on
Oh,
top
shit.
of him, are you?
Raising.
Some team action.
Yeah, well,
RJ.
Please
it's never good, is it? It doesn't
Yeah,
matter
it's
what
hit.
I type out.
Cashman
It's
is
always,
hit. It's going down.
What, those AAs landed? I think it has first.
That was a very low pass time.
Yeah,
Trying to
it's
avoid the casual.
Oh, Smokey, there's one in the
Right,
middle of the
thanks,
fucking field of corpses. North end.
Eric is down as well.
Moving left to right.
Lol.
yeah, Cashman is blown up. Good job.
I'll get him if you want.
He's stood up at the
Oh,
I
moment.
see him.
Where's this T100?
Northeast of the objective.
I stopped the same shot. What prick?
So I have no
Oh,
ammo.
there.
I've
Yeah,
got
you
two.
just passed it,
I've
man.
got 2 mags for you, Jack, in my backpack. You can take them out.
Don't know what distance that is.
800-ish.
He says
Yeah.
he's got nothing.
Can't see the splash though.
Whoa, my neck!
Cannot bracket.
See that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Where is he? I've lost him.
He's up now and running.
Alright, well, there's 2 rounds on the ground now, or 2 mags on the ground. They can pick up.
Alright.
Got ya.
Still up.
Nice shot, mate.
Sexy. Yeah, that was
you can
amazingly
keep treating him
satisfying.
with facts. man, it's not gonna work.
Always is when you hit them at running. That Varsuk's just peppering the sky after you, Titan.
I've got like a million facts. Well, I've got a load of facts.
Yeah, the game
Yeah,
does
it's a
that.
bug.
I didn't know you gave a fuck.
Hey, it's a Jack joke.
Oh,
My
shit.
jokes are good.
Alright, there's 2 mags on the ground for you.
Can you laze that tank from where you are?
Yeah, I
I
just
can
have
do,
to get
mate.
rid of a load of
Have you got a
facts.
bomb for it?
Yeah, one left.
Why is this guy down again? Eric.
Smokey,
If Red is
check
shooting
our
at it,
right,
it sounds
mate.
like.
Check right.
Facts,
mate.
anyone?
Lasers
Check right
right.
on
I
you.
don't know.
If you come where I am, there's just like a million. There's just like a load of facts.
Sorry, Chris. She checked right of you.
Yeah, down there somewhere, or on the hill opposite to the east.
Yeah, I can hear somebody shooting, but I don't know who.
Silenced, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a guy with an
Thumbs
MX.
away.
From earlier.
Ah, right, it's one of ours.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get this
I might
square
just
on the top of the
respawn.
turret. Oh!
Hey!
No
Nice
idea.
target hit.
Stand by for BDA. I think you got him though, mate.
Good, I'm on
Bye.
red hole
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking.
Fucking perfect hit, mate, there. Straight in the top armor.
Well,
It's
that's all you, not
toasty.
me.
Ah.
Do you not
Oh, these
see
compliments.
the you don't see these magazines.
Yeah, I have
right
to
in
get
front
rid of all these facts though. Apparently.
No, if
You've
you
got-
step up to them and you say inventory,
Duck.
you can just pick them
No,
up.
I've got
Yeah?
a load of facts.
Hold on,
in
guys.
my
Hold on,
inventory.
Duck. You've got a guy where you were just looking to the right of that.
Yeah, that's just a bug, mate. You just gotta dump the
You're
whole
pretty
lot.
much looking right at him. He's at the edge of the forest in front
Alright,
of you.
can
Yeah,
can you put them down
400
again?
meters from my
Alright,
position.
hold on, I'll drop them here. Yeah, you good?
Alright, thanks.
No, you don't go spending them all. Alright,
Weird.
stay still.
Not exactly
He's
the same
done.
time.
Reach you.
Yeah, it's just everywhere but him.
Bet he shits himself.
Did it just
Too
fill?
fit, man.
Did it just fill up again? Yeah.
Or your FAKs.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Did it just fill up again?
Yeah, it just won't stop going.
I'm laughing because it's out of familiarity, not making fun of you.
Yeah, I hate that bug and it happens with each other through this. Smoky burying 324, 1 kilometer left right hand edge of a building between 2 trees. You might
What
not
do
be able to see him.
Funniest thing is if it fills you up with the watches.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, we done downloading this fucking thing, yeah? Can we get some broadband here instead of fucking...
I got
Dialogue.
some fucking Jedi powers on this
Oh,
fucking
sorry.
car.
Just have to
Can we
use
get some
Oh.
broadband
3G
instead of
dongle for his
crazies?
internet.
Oh, it's no wonder it wasn't done yet. This guy that's right next to it, he's fucking dead. It was stuck at 66. It was stuck at 96%.
Oh, I got a
Did you just
grazing
shoot him
hit.
in the face?
I got a grazing hit on his fucking back right shoulder.
Alright, this is taking a piss.
I can't
Hey,
see
plans.
Is it
like-
full
How
again?
you doing down
him.
there?
Millimeter bit of grass
Into
in my
your
way.
In my
southwest up the hill.
This
In
guy.
my backpack, there's
Pretty good.
100 facts.
User joined
Yeah,
your
mate.
Dish him out.
I've totally
Hey,
lost
boys.
for shooting.
Morning.
Hello.
Hey, Blaze.
Is he still there? Because I cannot
Oh, that's
see him anymore.
interesting.
Yeah, he's sort of hidden in the tree a bit.
I've got some more magazines for you because this dead guy.
Holy shit,
Got it.
it's a
Alright,
sea of
I can't
facts.
pick up. I can't
It's
pick up
a sea of
magazines.
facts.
I can't pick up anything.
It's just an annoying bug, mate. If you respawn, I think I
Oh, he's down there.
solve it.
Worth me
What you need
switching
what you need to
evac.
do is you need to
Probably, mate, yeah.
get rid of a bunch of facts and then in the same sitting basically
There
grab
it goes,
some
there.
magazines.
Nice.
Asshole that he is.
Whoa!
Alright, I'm out. So.
Back. I've got 1 mag left. I've got 6 in this one if you want it.
Nah, I'm going on the phone now anyway.
You gonna what?
Emptying that clip.
You're 100%.
I was just emptying the clip before I phoned someone.
Did he say 99?
Should we head down, Smokey? Because, well,
It says 100%.
Woo!
Yeah.
I'll,
Yeah!
yeah,
Coming back with a heli
Oh,
titan.
and there
Yep.
it goes.
Alright, moving
I'm
on.
dead.
How'd you die, Plant?
Not quite sure. I was next to some rocks. I don't think I got
Fuck
shot
was
there.
that,
did I?
Evernoy?
User left your channel.
I don't think I respawned though.
I think Evernoy is playing around with with explosive a
I
little bit
may
too
have
much.
bet my own explosive off
you know
in
that
my face.
you know that saying, Evernoy? You play around with fire, you get burned.
Yeah. I may have set my own explosive off in my face.
Good job. 10 out of 10. Do a backflip. Barrel.
Yeah, and on this point.
that was intense.
There's a load of
Fucking
dead bodies all over
No,
the
Titan
arsehole.
died.
Yeah, heli blew up as I got in it.
Ah,
Alright,
shit.
we getting a little
Usual
bit?
drill. Yeah, someone's already in a Chinook. I'm guessing he's going to come as well.
Oh, that was hard work.
I'm tired already. Shit.
Let's gather on the road.
What the- oh.
Oh.
Are you coming to the main road?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, and
Weird.
ready
You-
between
Yeah.
both of us, right?
Yeah, meet you at the T-junction.
Ooh.
Here to go.
Oh.
Wait, the dirt road T junction.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Smokey, go right up that road, mate. Oh, you can't hear.
Now we got cat zombie here, huh?
What?
Does it speak?
Sometimes.
Hey!
Yeah, the cat zombie.
Nice to have you here.
Ah, thank you. I hope there's enough of you for a Hellcat. Why I can't heal?
We should be about 6 people.
Sorry, what was that, cat?
Why I can't heal?
I don't know. Do you have a fac?
I could have give you some.
Well, good
I
guess.
could give you some.
Now that's a funny joke, Jack.
Yeah, I do.
That's situational comedy. I'm not sure. Wait, are you down or just hurt or?
No, I'm trying to heal someone.
All right. So if a person's down, as in incapacitated, you can treat him with a fac once, and then you have to do first aid. So in the scroll menu, there's a red option saying first aid.
Oh, I know how to do that, but I cannot do it with this guy. I think he is a bug or something.
Yeah, it usually happens sometimes.
Well, we should be able to see where we are.
Really crazy. You taking on Carpenter style now?
What?
Oh, actually. Oh no, my bad. Take it back.
What?
From a distance, it looked like you were wearing like the
A stupid hat.
the stupid hat. Actually,
Slab, let me know if this kills you or not.
No, come on. I apologize. I apologize.
Actually, on a serious note, though, hold on, stay still. Can FAK you? FAK, not FUK.
Just call it a fac.
Or not.
Oh.
Actually, I'm one to talk because I'm donning.
Hey Jack, stand still.
Smoke
I'm
out.
donning the
recommend a
Marpet right
sniper
now.
rifle.
Purple smoke, mate. I can't be asked doing a recognition.
It's a lot of smoke.
There is start for fuck's sake. Every time.
Almost crashed.
Oh, sorry, I meant purple smoke.
White
Oh
smoke,
wait,
yeah.
wait, blue?
A lot of multicolored
Slav?
smoke.
After your little fucking bitch fit last night.
Oh,
You
my
know
bitch
how
I
fit.
will kill you with this
What
much
happened?
smoke.
I think I was there, but I can't remember what happened.
Now I see the purple.
I can't see the heli.
You can land on
there
the
it
blue
is.
smoke to the southwest, it's away from all
The
those
last
fucking
time
smoke.
this happened,
Or just
didn't
land here.
Al nearly flatten someone?
Ow.
Yeah, Big Al, a long time ago. Videos on the website somewhere.
Yeah, it's under mine. Is this everyone from Kavala?
Looks like it, yeah.
Haven't left anyone behind?
Finally, I'm.
I'm getting
everyone's
dropped out all the time.
I think that's the last one.
Wait, I'm getting
Yep,
kicked.
last one. Oh, no.
Oh, and then Duck gets out.
Ah.
This is special.
I'm in. I scrolled and I clicked fucking get into back and kept putting me into the fucking cockpit.
So enough ammo to go straight to the next one?
No.
Nope.
I do.
About 600
Anyway,
rounds
to get
later.
back.
Right, we'll go. Be on
Go the
tomorrow,
FOB.
probably. Training, I guess.
I have to say I like the
See ya.
beat though, it's fucking 9.3 millimeter.
Oh, it's just great.
Oh yeah, can't we just go to Odin?
That's what we all do.
It's fucking loud as hell background here. I can barely hear whatever people say.
Just go into the map and it should all go quiet.
Oh fuck me, that's all
No,
the radar
like
contacts.
real life background noises.
Oh, okay.
Take a lot of AT on the next mission, guys.
Mission is
See
in.
7 radar contacts.
Secure
later.
something.
Oh. Oh, yeah, it's the artillery piece, I think.
Right, go for base, BRB.
When I think about it, the AI is probably gonna occupy the fucking tank. We have to blow it up to get them out, blah blah blah.
Can you guys please move Ado to this area?
Move what, sorry?
th2 is a player. He is pilot of the Chinook, but he is on wrong.
Ando?
Ando.
It's down in the public channel.
Affirmative.
User was moved to your
Oh.
channel.
Hey, Ando.
Now you are on the right channel, man. Ando, sorry.
Sorry, we should have
copy,
been in
I
the
mean-
public one channel, really. Our bad.
Yeah. I was just gonna say it.
I was looking for a UK server. 'Cause I'm like safe UK, so.
Yeah, well, you found the right
You're in the
spot.
right yeah, you're in the right spot then.
Sounds like them damn Yankee servers all over the shop.
Yeah.
There's
always one key though. Where to?
we're at FAB Odin.
I'm not.
Ah, shit, we should probably go back to base anyway. Do the pull. Get the fucking arsenal.
At least for the game.
Don't need the arsenal.
I need the arsenal.
No.
Where we going?
Oh well,
Oh shit, that base is blowing up.
I guess.
Oh, armor crashes as I click exit. Good job.
Oh god, who's that flying straight to the objective? Be careful, don't get too close to the objective, because they're gonna have a big gun
Sure.
and
Wow, that was a dramatic
I'll go
death.
out wide.
See how much shit's come out on Armorholic in the 2 hours that the game mode's been out. Oh, Epoch. Great.
Shh.
alright, as long as I get everything from the arsenal, I can use it. It's just that if I pick it up from somewhere, I can't. Like, just for DLC items, don't worry. I think that's all
from... Yeah, from VAS, you can't, unfortunately, mate. I'm gonna have to edit the mission and add the new weapons. Or I could just add Arsenal, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do there.
Arsenal is much better than VAS.
It is,
Anyway.
but VAS comes with a game mode. It's difficult to restrict Arsenal without it going tits up when you found.
Got a fellow Dutchman here.
Oh dear. Unlucky.
What? Dutch? No, shoot him. I don't trust the Dutch ones.
That's right, Slav. Duck. Slav? What the fuck? You don't even...
Well, I don't really trust Slav anyway, so.
Cool.
Why can't zoo animals play card games? Because there's too many cheaters.
Away!
Thank God.
Oh, you guys are gonna love this joke.
No, we're not.
Did you hear about my magic tractor? It went down a road, then turned into a field.
Oh no, Jack.
Tell that one to Collins, he'll love it.
Everyone hear that? Shall I repeat it? Yeah, let's repeat it.
Yeah, no.
Ah, why? What did he ever do to you?
Told awful jokes all day long.
I like them.
I think we are getting shot.
They're right in my field of view.
Holy shit.
Pictures from tonight for the media page.
Thank you for the ride.
Look at the objective.
Holy crap.
Kamish, Varsuk, Ifrit,
T100.
Varsuk, GMG,
Jesus.
Marid. Hello.
What do you call a belt made out of watches? A waste of time. Whee.
You've got like
Oh dear God.
sillygags.co.uk open, don't you, gang?
What do you call
No, I've never even
security
heard that.
guards outside of Samsung?
Neither have I, I'm just saying.
Oh, I've heard this
Guardians of the Galaxy.
one. Yeah.
Cool.
What do you call the security
Someone
guards
just blew up
outside
a
of
fucking
Samsung?
helicopter at me.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Outside of Samsung.
Phone. Galaxy. There's 3 in that. Assuming that's what it's about.
Why was my handset? Why are there fences
who's
around?
HQ right now? Someone used the Euron as a personal transport, apparently.
Why there is a dead soldier already here? We just arrived.
Wait, where are we going?
I don't know. Where's everyone?
Should we just go to Odin?
Oh, yeah, the point is how.
The
flag?
flagpole?
Back.
Yeah, what?
Firing at me? What the fuck? No, I'm not.
Alright, why are there fences around the graveyard? Because everyone was dying to get in.
Why is it a joke? Sorry, I was paying attention.
I'm gonna Halo in.
Mexican magician tells the audience he will appear on the count of 3. Uno, dos, and then poof. Appears without a trace.
Oh my god.
You wanna get in, Jack?
Yeah.
Because we're taking shots. Or
Where are
something
you
is.
guys?
Mora?
Oh, have fun getting blown up.
Thank you. Something's already trying to get blown up in base. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. No.
I was paying no attention. Who else is in here with me?
I'm driving.
Alright.
You want to ride for 10 seconds, but okay. Did you bring AT?
Yeah.
Nice. Shoot, blow up everything that's not the Versuk. Or not Versuk, I mean, yeah, fuck no. Scorcher. Scorcher is already marked on the map.
Marksman showcase at some point.
This Marine is
Yeah, I'm gonna have
pretty
to play
much
with it
on top
now.
of me.
I was playing it while I tried to join the server earlier, and it was fun. Alright, like.
Single player, isn't it?
Yeah. You just, I think, well, as far as I go, you basically start out by having to empty Op
That's
4
one
HQ.
Kamish less.
Ghost, hold fire.
Yeah,
Just, change ammo. Yeah, there we are. Another one to the left of him.
Oh god, crazy that image you
Nice
uploaded.
one. Alright, we got a
the
GMG to our... Oh. Got another one to our north.
Which one's out?
Same spot.
Oh, it looks like they blast them all back.
Pretty cool.
Wait, can you go forward a bit?
I uploaded one.
Why there is a HQ
thanks.
marker on top of me?
Daily routine.
Lovely.
Not sure where we're taking forever, but I know there's a vehicle to our west, about 900 meters. It's a Ifrit. Switch to MPT and look straight west. We got a Ifrit over there.
Why does it sound...
Can't see it.
More west. On the hill. Are you using thermal?
Yeah, I can't see it.
Bullets snapping by. Awesome. Oh, there's someone shooting.
Bearing 262, 880 meters. I'm gonna keep moving, taking hits. That is actually damaging us. Oh, crashed.
Is
Great.
anyone else ever gonna come my way? There's like a solitaire running them in the middle of...
Yeah, I crashed. I'm not gonna bother coming on again.
That's everyone pretty much stepping off now.
Well, I crashed, so, you know. So I'm gonna bother launching the game again. Lazy.
Yeah, I get it. think I'm pretty much the only one who's still playing. Oh, and I'm
No,
down.
you and
Come on.
Jack.
Hey there. Actually, I'm pretty tired. Jump off.
Yeah, I'm kind of tired of you too.
See this video crazy?
that was pretty good.
You put a video up.
Yeah, it's just me and Slavon now. And a load of randomers.
Remember before
Well,
you go, try
Republic.
to ask them to get on here. Like, not TeamSpeak, you know, the clan.
Yeah.
Too late, just left.
Ah,
I've
bad.
been fucking
Oh, I'm gonna have
spamming.
to do
I've
it
been
now.
spamming chat all this time. So screw you guys. It's up to you.
Look at that thing. Oh shit,
my
three.
game crashes as I got awesome.